Achieving the perfect wainscoting look in your home is easier and more rewarding than you might think. Wainscoting, once an elegant staple in historic buildings and classic estates, has made a triumphant return as a sought-after architectural detail, blending character, texture, and timeless charm into modern interiors. Whether you dream of a cozy cottage vibe, a sleek contemporary environment, or traditional sophistication, wainscoting offers a customizable solution to elevate any room's appearance. The journey to that perfect look starts with understanding the basics, selecting your signature style, and executing the installation with confidence and creativity. At its core, wainscoting refers to a decorative paneling applied to the lower portion of a wall, traditionally between chair rail height and the baseboard. This feature originally served a practical function, protecting walls from scuffs, dents, and moisture, but has evolved into a powerful design element that adds depth, dimension, and a feeling of luxury. Today, wainscoting is about more than protection. It's a statement that subtly frames a room, draws the eye, and sets the mood. To start, consider the style of wainscoting that complements your existing decor and architectural features. The most popular options include raised panel, flat panel, beadboard, and board and batten. Raised panel wainscoting is classic and refined, perfect for dining rooms, living rooms, and entryways when you want a formal touch. Flat panel designs lend themselves to minimalist, transitional, or modern spaces, providing clean lines and understated elegance. Beadboard brings cozy cottage charm, especially in bathrooms, kitchens, or mudrooms, evoking effortless country living. Board and batten, characterized by wide vertical panels, adds a rustic and bold dimension, ideal for accent walls or larger rooms. Once you've selected a style, think about the height. Traditional wainscoting runs about 1/3 up the wall, a timeless choice that balances detail without overwhelming the space. For drama or a more contemporary look, take the panels up to 2/3 or even the full wall height. If your ceilings are low, consider keeping wainscoting on the lower third to visually expand the room, while taller ceilings invite you to experiment with greater heights and bolder contrasts. Material selection is equally important. Wood remains the gold standard for classic wainscoting, offering natural beauty and lasting quality. Pine and MDF are popular for affordability and ease of installation, while oak, maple, or cherry soot, semi-gloss or stained finishes for a richer feel. For high moisture environments like bathrooms, consider PVC or waterproof composites that resist warping and swelling. No matter which material you choose, proper preparation, sanding, priming, and painting or staining will ensure a flawless finish. Color choice plays a crucial role in achieving the perfect wainscoting look. Crisp white is a perennial favorite, instantly brightening rooms and matching almost any color scheme. Soft grays and creams offer a modern, subtle alternative that feels warm and sophisticated. For a statement, try deep blues, charcoals, or even black wainscoting paired with lighter upper walls. This adds drama and anchors the space, making architectural details pop. Don't be afraid to get creative. Experiment with two-tone looks, color blocking, or even patterns to personalize the aesthetic. Detailed planning is essential for a professional result. Start by measuring your walls carefully and mapping out where each panel, stile, and rail will fall. Consistent spacing ensures visual harmony, especially around doors, windows, and outlets. Remember to factor in baseboards and chair rails, which provide the top and bottom framework for your design. Before you install, gather your tools: a level stud finder, tape measure, saw, construction adhesive, nails or screws, caulk, and finishing materials. Pre-painting or pre-staining panels before installation can make the process cleaner, saving time on touch-ups. Mark wall studs to ensure your panels are anchored securely, preventing future warping or shifting. Begin installation at a corner or focal point, using a level to keep each piece square. Apply construction adhesive to the back of each panel and press firmly to the wall, supplementing with finishing nails or screws into the studs. Check for gaps as you go. Small discrepancies can be filled with paintable caulk for a seamless appearance. Install stiles, vertical pieces, and rails, horizontal, next, ensuring all edges are flush and aligned. For intricate styles like raised panel, you may need to router or custom cut each section for a perfect fit. After the panels are in place, fill any nail holes and seams with wood filler. Once dry, sand smooth for a pristine surface. Apply caulk to the joints, especially where wood meets the wall or along ceiling lines. These steps are critical for that perfect custom-built look. Attention to detail here truly elevates the finished result. Now comes the creative part, paint or stain. Apply a primer for optimal paint adhesion and durability, followed by 2 coats of your chosen color. Use a high-quality brush for corners and crevices and a foam roller for larger flat sections. For stain, follow the grain and wipe off excess to reveal the natural wood beauty. Allow ample drying time between coats for a flawless finish. Swap out dated chair rails or baseboards if needed to match your new wainscoting's style and height. Finally, accessorize your transformed space. Wainscoting is a beautiful backdrop for art and mirrors, and it frames furnishings with understated elegance. In a dining room, pair your panels with an updated pendant light for instant sophistication. In bathrooms, complement beadboard with vintage-inspired fixtures or elegant sconces. In bedrooms or offices, let taller wainscoting become the architectural statement, the perfect canvas for restful color, soft textiles, and curated decor. The perfect wainscoting look is as individual as your home. It's about expressing your personality, elevating your interiors, and making a statement that's equal parts classic and contemporary. With careful planning, thoughtful material and color choices, and precise installation, you can achieve a transformation that's both striking and enduring. Embrace the opportunity to add warmth, texture, and timeless charm, because wainscoting is more than just a design feature. It's a testament to craftsmanship, creativity, and the kind of welcoming elegance that makes a house truly feel like a home.